How to unlink phone number from TikTok. So if you want to unlink your phone number from TikTok, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your TikTok. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you can go with the account option. And from the account, if you want to unlink your phone number, then first you need to go with your account information, and here you will have your phone number, email, your date of birth, your region, and everything. So in my case, I don't have a phone number. I've not added any phone number. But if you have added your phone number, then you will have an option to remove. As you can see that I've added my email, and it says that you will be able to unlink your email. In the same way, if you tap on the phone number, it will ask you that if you want to unlink your phone number, it will give you an option. You can tap on unlink. After tapping on unlink phone, you'll receive some code. You'll not be able to use your phone number to log in from the next time, or you'll not be able to use the phone number to reset your password. All of the contacts that you've allowed on TikTok will be removed. So if you want to unlink, you'll be able to unlink by tapping on unlink phone number and follow the steps. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.